This property is a full gut job. Roof issues, water damage, labor shortages. Today I'll walk you through step by step and show you what it took to bring it back to life. And more importantly, did the numbers justify the risk? Stay tuned. So why did we buy this property? Well, the price was good. I wouldn't say it was a great deal. It was a good price. But what we didn't expect in this property was all the hidden costs. We didn't plan to replace the roof, but it collapsed. That added time and unexpected cost. On top of that, it started raining, so the house was fully exposed with all the material inside. And to top that off, the rain got in and damaged the joists and subfloor. Obviously, we couldn't leave it, so we tore it out and rebuilt it properly. The foundation. So instead of rehabbing it in 3 months, it took us about 7 months to rehab this property. And obviously, the rates fluctuated during this time. And obviously, it took us down to winter where the renting season is pretty slow. So that's why it's sitting vacant right now, though it's a great property. Good street, not a great street, it's a good street. Sometimes when you buy your house, you got to make sure there's no boarded homes because that will really determine the rent. And Section 8 will not rent if there's boarded homes, but this house here is being rehabbed as well. So that's good. And then the house right next to it is up for sale as well. We tried to put an offer, but we just couldn't get to the right price. And that one here is up for auction. That's the unit over here. It's a multi-unit with one unit at the bottom, another unit up top. 3 beds, 2 bath. This was a full rehab job. Here we got the first unit. Same vibes, open space, open layout. New kitchen, countertops, new appliances. And then you got your master bedroom here, bathroom. And then you got a nice basement down there. Let's put the lights on. Washer dryers, you got a room over here. Kind of small room, but still around 7.5 height, ceiling height. You got a nice bathroom here as well. And then you got another bedroom down here. Then you got an exit here to the outside for health and safety, obviously. There you go. This is unit B. So you got the washer dryer. We use the same flooring in all our houses. It's just easier in the same paint. You got a room here. Now you might be asking, why do we have these inside? Just because a lot of people steal these. So we try to keep them indoors. And we try to keep the heat at a minimal when the house is vacant, with gas and energy bills going up. You want to try to maintain costs when the unit's empty. Got the HVAC unit over here. Got a room over here. That's your bedroom, bathroom. kitchen, bathroom, and then another bedroom with its own bathroom. It's the upstairs, so it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's crunch the overall numbers. With regards to total investment, what the appraised value was, what did we refinance at, and at the end, how much cash did we pull out or pull in? The total cost was around $300,000. Once the renovations were complete, the property appraised at $475,000. We took a 75% loan to value. The bank refinanced the property at $356,000. Since we were all in for about $300,000, that allowed us to pull out roughly $56,000 while still owning the asset. That's what it's all about. Combined rents for both units is $3,700 per month. Our water runs about $200 a month, leaving us with a net operating income of roughly $3,500. After mortgage, taxes, and insurance, which total about $2,240, we're left with approximately $1,260 per month in cash flow, or $630 per unit. Was it worth it? And the answer is yes, yes, yes. Despite all the challenges we face, from the roof collapsing to water damages, labor shortages, inspection failures, real estate is a long-term game. You're not going to get rich overnight. You're going to build and build and build over time. So despite sleepless nights, despite all these months, it took us around 7-8 months to finish this house. At the end of the day, it turned out well, and we're creating long-term generational wealth, and that's what it's all about. So yes, the risk was worth it when you look at the numbers.